it's me, Ellen. Today I'm going to show you how to make slime. Fluffy slime, by the way. You're going to want a bowl. Don't worry about the sturdiness. It's going to make the slime better. That's what I've heard. So if you're going to wonder how you want to make the slime better, you need to have toothpaste and rubber. So what you're going to be needing is borax. It's in there because I just mixed it. And you should see my slime collection for sure. Shaving cream.
The cheapest option.
To make it fluffy. Some pea, whatever you can use, what do you call it, food coloring? Glue, of course. And the mixing tool. I'm going to use a paintbrush, but I use it on this side. I don't want to get my beautiful side of painting. You know I'm going to paint that one. One day, not today.
Oh, I don't know.
So, yeah, let's get started. First thing you want to do is grab some glue.
You know what?
Open it.
Why don't I do it?
It's brand new.
Michael adores me. I'm the man for this job. Charles, you got my back on this?
Oh, this hurts so bad.
I'll be back in a bit. Hey.
I'm going to take it out though, by the way.
Actually, here's
Wait.
something else.
Listen, I can't make you laugh right now.
You know I love a good guessing game, but why not just tell you what I'm here for? Turns out, you guys have made a pretty big time in sales. Wallace has asked me to come down here and see if you would be interested in a diamond.
You're going to want to pull up your sleeves if you're in long sleeve, by the way. So that's the one you're when you're done.
Oh, no. We don't
Because
have...
this is the glue that
See,
takes
I'm
me
here to learn as
forever
little
to
information as possible. All I really need to hear is if your incredibly successful company would be receptive to a buyout. Yes.
Yes.
Maybe. 3 yeses. I will see you titans of industry upstairs.
Yes, well,
There
we're
we
not
go.
only tight ends, we're also quarterbacks.
Okay.
That's the last part.
That's a pun.
At least you have
Yep.
some. Some. Never mind.
Oh.
So there. My hands are getting dirty already.
You're not going to reveal in any way that we're
So there.
Of course not.
having any
It's activated. I'm just going to have it even add activator. Next thing you want to do is add some shaving cream.
Right. There is no way.
If you put too much shaving cream, so you're going to put some. Try to put some glue.
Oh, I'm really worried I'm going to say it.
Oh, man. You're fine.
I'm just, yeah. It is. I'm good.
Okay. The shaving cream. The shaving
Hello?
cream.
Michael Scott, paper company to see Mr. David Wallace. I believe we're
I'm
expecting.
not some pea, even though I haven't mixed it all the way, because it's just looking fluffy still.
Well. How the turntables.
It looks like a banana. Oh yeah, I haven't mixed it all the way, but it's looking like
Order
one.
to nice negotiations. We are prepared to make you a very generous offer. And we are prepared to reject
This
that
is
offer.
good.
Michael, you haven't even heard that.
Never accept that person. What is your second offer? $12,000.
Are you kidding me? That is insultingly low. I don't even want to hear what your first offer was.
What do you hear?
Here's the situation.
Guys, who
Your
cares if my
company
hands
is
get
4
dirty?
weeks
They're
old.
gonna
I know
get
this
dirty.
business. I know what suppliers are charging.
No.
I know you can't be making very much money. I don't know how your prices are so low. But I know it can't keep up that
We're
way.
gonna need to add more.
I'm sure you're scared. Probably in debt. It's the best
I was
offer
about to
you
say
can get.
I'll see your
fluffiness.
situation and I'll
But-
raise you a situation.
I realized I
Your
was having my
company
pink.
is losing clients left and right. You have a stockholder meeting coming up, and you are going to have to
'Cause
explain
of
to
the
them
white is
why
making
your
it
most
white.
profitable branch
Ooh,
is bleeding.
because the
So
light
they may be
is
looking
making
for
it
a little
white.
change in CFO. So I don't think I need to wait out under the flame.
Okay, next thing you want to do, guys, is add some borax, not too much, because you don't know what
Okay,
will
now I don't
happen.
know that I can get this. I do have to go to the board for approval. How's
So it
about
isn't activating fully yet, so we're gonna put more. That's
60.
a lot.
We're gonna have to talk about this.
I'm scared,
Okay, no, please take your room.
especially whenever I'm mounting the borax, because I'm scared like how much I put and everything. So
Oh my god, oh my god.
we're gonna need a
We
lot.
are so rich.
Larry, you got away.
Woo!
May I ask why you're leaving the Michael Scott Paper
Good.
Company?
The paint is still getting on me, but the paint will get on me no matter what. Gets on
Please
everything.
hold.
Especially when you're just normal painting.
Charles, what? May I have your attention? The Michael Scott Paper Company is broke.
What? How do you get that?
Ew.
They've been calling all of their
My
clients
hands
and
are
begging them
disgusting.
to pay more money.
But trust me, it happens,
They're
it
desperate,
happens,
which can only mean
guys, it
one thing.
happens.
They are total failures.
Great work, man.
Quiet, you. No, I'm ready to place more. Is this
As you see, that's
you crack a case as a
Who
pejorative
cares?
connotation.
As
It's
you
like
can see,
calling
that
the police in a
toothpaste
car.
actually
You
did
solved
not work.
the case, and yes, I've solved plenty.
So,
Just
how
looks
long
like
can
one
you
of
stay
my
by?
normal other signs I usually
I'll
make.
answer Charles first because you've solved zero cases.
And then
Okay.
now, if
One
you're
case
wondering,
of
my
bandits
hand is on
missing
fire
beats
because I
all over
remember
the
my
farm.
cut
No
of got, so I
Inside
should have thought
job,
about this
Most
before I
inside
actually
jobs.
done this.
Boom. Case closed. Okay.
Do not go anywhere near the conference room.
Ugh.
You have embarrassed me for the last time today. You got it?
I'm not following you.
You two are morons.
Guys, if you hear like a rain,
Get out.
that's okay, because it is actually raining over here.
So, you've thought it over, yes, and you accept our offer. We can finally put this whole thing behind us.
No.
I've never made a yellow slime yet. My first yellow slime. Oh my god, it looks so pretty. But it still is. Not gonna lie, that is. So technically, guys, if you're wondering, yes,
How could you do this to me,
that
Michael? You just cost me
glue
$60,000.
was a waste.
It's a lot of
I
money.
mean, not glue.
We need money
That
every week.
toothpaste was a waste
Wind Trailer fishing pole.
of my money. Because it got
I would
like
rather have
$80
$60,000,
for my birthday.
honestly.
No, Michael's right.
I
Jobs
told my mom if she would take me to the dollar store. She said
Agreed.
yes, and then she said, "What do you want? You can get me whatever you want because you have $80." So
We'll
I
discuss
did,
these things.
and then I'm like, "I want toothpaste and all these
I want my
slime
old job
ingredients."
back.
So I got
I
what I
want my
wanted. That's a
parking
good
space
thing.
back. I want a
And
secret
then
rating.
yeah,
And I want
my
Charles
mom
Scott.
let me get it, and then guess what happened?
That's very kind of you to say, Dad.
I need him gone.
How do you say it?
Okay, then I want Pam back.
You already have a new receptionist.
For sales.
That the
Thank you.
toothpaste was actually kind of a waste.
Yes, she
Oh
is.
my god, I just dropped.
At the Michael Scott Paper Company, in its heyday,
Please continue.
and Ryan.
I made some white sand like a few minutes ago. No, like ever since I started this
David,
video.
I don't care
like
if
8 minutes
Ryan
ago.
murdered his entire family. He is like a son to me.
Do you realize what you're asking for here? You're talking about
We're gonna go
salary
with shaving cream
plus
because
health
this is not
benefits,
Dental this time.
I don't think
insurance,
I
taxes,
added
social
too. I
security for
think
3 people.
I
This is like
added
more
too
than
much.
60 grand. You're talking about a multi-million-dollar buyout.
These are our demands.
Your company cannot be worth that
Oh.
much.
Our company is
Explain why
worth
you can't.
nothing. That's the difference between you and I. Business isn't about money to me, David. If tomorrow my company goes under, I will just start another paper company, and then another, and another, and another. I have no shortage of company names.
Michael,
That's one of them. Yes. These are our demands. This is what we want. Our balls are in your court.
okay. Deal.
My hands are seriously, guys, getting so tired. One minute. It's been like 5 seconds ago. I was relaxing. And now my hands are moving all over again.
There are certain defining moments in a person's life.
Really?
The day he's born, the day he grows hair, the day he starts a business, and the day he sells that business back to Dunder Mifflin. What have I learned from all of this? It is far too early to tell. I just know that I'm flying high, and I don't even want to think about about it. I just want to enjoy it.
Hey guys,
No, you're done.
Hey, Johnny. Oh my God, did you see the potato? I mean, you did a good job. It looks so cool, yellow.
I know, that's how I was thinking of it.
At least once a year, I like to bring in some of my Kevin's famous chips. The trick is,
The first time I made slime with borax was kind of weird
everybody is
because
going
I
to get
did
to
not
know each
know how to
other.
make slime with borax, so I overactivated it.
This stuff.
So then it was like so hard.
Or
Super
pressing
duper hard,
garlic
guys.
and dicing whole tomatoes. I
It was
took
so hard.
bone and
Okay,
chopped
you could
chilies.
not even stretch it. This is how much you can stretch it.
It's a recipe
And
passed
then it
down
stopped.
from Malone's for generations.
Because I would always use Tide, but then I realized Tide would make it watery and soapy.
someone is returning. He started his own comedy and now he's back. Who could it be? I'll give you a hint. He is a man. A man you have missed with all your heart. A man who has ruined all the men for you.
Who is it? Who is it? It's Michael Scott.
So guys, I'm gonna say this one. Tired that. Well, I really was thinking that. So.
Well, I guess the first order of business
Did I put it on the side?
meeting
No.
Ryan. And how about Casual Friday again, huh? Reinstituting Casual Friday?
You know why?
It's all great. What I want to do right now is
Can you just figure out I would never do this to you?
I'm gonna throw it
No,
out there,
I'm
starting
kidding.
with this meeting.
I should have really not.
I want you
But
to say whatever you want.
I
Take it away.
will throw it in my iPad. Because I'm recording with my iPad.
What do you think? If there is something that you would like to say as a group, then by all means you may say it to me right now.
Okay.
Yes.
People are dressed inappropriately.
Take it up with Toby. What I want you to do is I want you to look inward, and I want you to reflect, and I want you to say something different.
Can you give us a hint?
When I needed salespeople for my new paper company, everyone here turned their back on me. Am I going to ask them to beg for forgiveness? No. Am I going to ask for a big, crying apology? No. Am I going to ask them to slit their wrists for me? No. I just want a tiny microscopic version of that. Oscar, what were you going to say?
Nothing. Let me see.
All right.
Do I still have a job here?
Not important.
Okay.
All right. Yes. Yes.
Deserves to know.
You have a job. Frankly, you have a job because Ryan and Pam are starting with us as sales.
Wait, what? How is that going to work?
It's going to work
Now
very
that's
smoothly
gonna be-
because Pam and Ryan are bringing over a ton of clients from Michael Scott Paper Company, and
Okay, okay.
Yeah, are we getting those clients back?
no, you lost those clients.
I call foul, sir.
Okay.
You were bought out. So the company then bought out all the stolen clients.
Dwight, let me explain something to you. I set the rules, you follow them blindly, okay?
Yes,
And
guys,
if you
you
have a problem,
know how much I
And you-
love these lime.
It's a trash can.
I'm just playing with slime, guys. It is not lime, so do not call slime lime. Slime lime.
kid. Boscov's at the Steamtown Hall.
It sure look good on the mannequin.
Well, you have good taste.
Oh, thanks. I sure wish I had more time to talk to my clients, though.
What?
Isn't what you said to a bunch of my clients when you were stealing them, that I didn't have enough time for them?
Oh, I,
Gosh, now, sweetie, you look like a trout.
the man is
is wearing sandals. I don't need to see Oscar's toes at work. Gross. I mean, he looks like he just got off the boat.
Dang, he does not like his feet.
Did you see that? I'm pretty sure I did not. But there was a bubble whenever I was adding shaving cream. It turned like this big. It wasn't that long. I just stretched it so y'all could see.
Well, I was in the
It was
seminary
weird.
for a year and dropped out because I wanted to have sex with this girl, Kathy. Followed her back to Scranton. Took the first job I could find in HR. Later, she divorced me. So, no, I wouldn't say I have a passion for HR.
Thanks, Michael.
Fresh, hot ink.
New file system.
Trust me, Stanley, you are going to want to read this memo very carefully.
I am not changing the way I do my file.
No, this goes all. Believe me, you are going to want to heed my words. Don't overheat. The invisible ink will reveal that everyone should meet at the warehouse immediately. Do not ask me where I got the invisible ink. Urine. It was urine.
I'm sorry you're offended by my shoes, but I'm not going to try to change. I could look at this office. Now they're clean. It's gonna wear them while I'm on man. I think so.
Guys. Mom. Mommy.
Leave something at your desk.
What are you still doing? Not at your desk.
Did you even read the memo?
All my files are now in reverse alphabetical order.
No, you idiot. There is a code embedded in the memo. Listen, you need a roundabout salesman except for Ryan and Pam.
So guys, this is how it turned out. So comment down below if you think we should make it more yellow or just leave it like this. I mean, I like the yellow color, so I'm just gonna leave it. But y'all can tell me in the comments, and then letting y'all know the next video I'm gonna show y'all this slime and put some more yellow in it. But I'm gonna have to look through the comments. So yeah. And guys, we need more subscribers. Come on.
Those two taking your plans.
It's not right. I don't like it.
He doesn't like it.
So I'm sorry I was being quiet, but yeah. So yeah.
Her face is okay.
Now, what I'm gonna do, guys, is I'm just gonna put, oh my god,
No, I saw a crowd. Thought there might be a dog
more
fight.
glue, because there's still a little
We need
bit.
to do something.
Make that a
Either give me a
lot
coup
more.
or
So
we take Ryan
yeah,
hostage.
we are gonna see what oh my god, what happens. As you can see, I added more glue.
We could write a strong word.
That was actually a lot. I did not realize. So yeah,
How'd you say something?
we're gonna see if it melts a little bit. Well, not melts, but gets sticky or not. Yeah, it's getting sticky actually, guys. Maybe that does happen. So we're gonna add more.
Okay, we'll talk to Michael directly. So, meeting is over, I guess. I'll see you when I'm upstairs.
Good. I don't want to make it too sticky, make it too activated. I don't like over activated slime. And if you want to know the real reason why was that,
Michael's got paper company open.
Yeah, I think you're gonna want to cool with that because it's starting to upset the other salesman.
Okay, well, I will, no, I'll talk to you when I get back from the bathroom.
This is awkward to talk about, but there may or may not be, but definitely is a mutiny forming in the warehouse right now.
and keep on putting more shaving cream every time I add like more contacts. Well, not.
It's gotta be because they all
Did I
want
just say contacts so you can get it confused with borax?
They are in for a bitter surprise.
Oh,
I am
it
not to be.
got away, I guess. So, yeah. Bye guys. That is how I make my fluffy slime. Bye. Check out my next video so I could either leave the slime the same or put more yellow. And if y'all guys say just leave it like this, if y'all guys say just leave it like this yellow, I would put it on YouTube and say I left it yellow for y'all guys. So yeah, make sure to comment down below if you want it more yellow or leave it pretty. So yeah. Bye,
So,
guys.
yeah.
Love y'all. Make sure to like, subscribe, and share.